All right, today I'm going to try to get to the pellet test I've been trying to do for a while, and it's been raining or cold or windy or all three. So today we're going to take a look if the weather holds out. This is the JTS dead center. These are the 16.08 grain. This is the JTS dead center 22.07 grain. And this can's been dropped in transit, I guess, because I didn't drop it. But we're going to throw those in the Umarex Notos and see if it likes them. Let's go. All right, the plan for today is to test out the JTS dead center. These are a 16.08, and these are a 22.07. We'll see what the velocities are. And I had a surprise. I was sent a 12-round magazine for the Notos, and I'll put his link to his website down in the description. He did not ask me to make a video. He just sent this to me. I appreciate it. I'm gonna try it out now. I like this. This is just a twist and load. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to dump 12 shots into my target. I got just a little bit of a breeze, not much, and see what the velocity is, what the standard deviation is, what the accuracy is, and I'm going to then go refill the magazine. This is a fresh fill, so I'm going to do 2 shots just to settle in the regulator. And then I'm going to do 12 shots, and we'll see what kind of group we get with the 16.08 grain JTS dead centers in the Umarex Notos. And I'm working on a new pellet probe to get the factory magazine to work. So for right now, let me get 2 shots to clear the regulator. Make sure I'm pointed in a safe direction. I've got 2 targets set up. I'm going to refill this. I can't get 24 shots with the Notos, so I'm going to shoot these 12, and then I'm going to go pump it back up and then shoot the other 12. You see, those 2 actually sounded different. So anytime on a fresh fill, I like to clear the regulator. All right, let's see what we got. I'll shoot the right target first, and I have no idea where these are going to hit. I think this was zeroed in what the JSB jumbo heavy. So no idea what the point of impact is going to be, and I'm not going to adjust it. I'm just going to shoot for the bull. See where I end up. Let's see, chronograph is on. And the JSBs were shooting at 730-ish, if I remember right. And they're 18.13 grain. That was 750. See where we go from here. $750. First one was 750.8. This one's 750.5. $750.5. $749.5. $750.0. $751.4. And I did shoot 10 or so of these through the barrel to season it. That was 749.5. And when I change over to the 22 grain, I'm guessing that they're made out of the same lead, so I'm not going to re-season the barrel. I messed up my aim point. And 747.7. .3. .5. That was number 10. .48.4, and this one is completely stock. I didn't tune it, change it, do anything to the trigger, just like it came out of the box. Shot number 12, 747.9. See what we got for numbers on here. I'm using the Garmin 0C1 session summary, and we've got a high, 12 shots, a high of 751, low of 747, and an average of 749.6. Extreme spread was 3.7, standard deviation 1.2. Not bad. So let me go pump this back up because I know I don't have enough air. Oh, and it's starting to rain. All right, let me go pump it up anyway. Be right back. We'll start a new session. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with this one with the 22.07 dead centers. And for anybody that's interested, this is gonna be going on here so I don't have to fill this thing up so frequently. I can't get two 12-shot magazines through it, and to be fair to this accuracy test, I figured I better just shoot one magazine from each. This magazine is doing a really good job so far, and I did run some JSBs through it, and it handled those just fine. These are 22 grain, so we'll see what it does with these. So if you want to see what this does after I get the bottle on there, subscribe and stick around. I'm going to try to do that fairly soon. And then I'm working on a new pellet probe, in case I didn't say that a while ago. I'm working on a new pellet probe that should make it work with the factory magazine. I'll just have to see how that turns out. And that's going to be time permitting because my schedule being what it is. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fire 2 shots to clear the regulator. I think when you air this up, we'll just say it confuses the regulator. I guess that's an okay way to say that. Well, that's what it seems like to me. Because when you pressure it up, the first couple of shots generally take a couple to settle in. We'll see if we can hear the sound difference on these two. So that's pretty sharp. It's even made the birds shut up. Yeah, those weren't too much different. You know, it's interesting, they hadn't been shutting up when I actually have a pellet in here. It's not nearly as loud when there's a pellet in it. And I have one more surprise from Big Air that I will show you in another video. And see what the point of impact does on these. I'm still going to use the bull. Well, the POI looks pretty consistent, at least for the first shot. Oh, I forgot to look at the velocity, 671. I didn't look at it on the first one. We'll see what they do. These are 22 grain, so quite a bit different in weight. I just realized I'm smacking the microphone on the table. 676.9. Went through one of the first three holes. 675.1. .6. These are going a little slow. I'd like to see them faster. And when with the other regulator on here, I'll be able to speed them up a bit. Having a hard time seeing the bull. I should have tweaked the scope off to the side. 675.4. .7. 675.0. 673.4. No, 673.9. Looks like these are settling into the left side. Maybe I should have shot a few first to season the barrel. They may be different lead. Yeah, they're all going, making a big ragged hole. 674. So probably should have seasoned it with these, because physically they look about the same. The depth of the skirt's not too much different, so just maybe a different lead composition. Yeah, they're all going pretty consistent now. Somebody walking their dog. Yeah, those all made a big, nice, ragged hole after the first few shots. 676.7. And that was number 12. Let's see. Session summary. And we got minimum was 671.4. Maximum was 676.9. Extreme spread 5.5. Standard deviation 1.5. So it's doing good. The regulator, once you settle it in, the regulator's doing good. The Big Air magazine's doing good. And it does have an index for your last 3 shots on there. I really appreciate that. So let's go inside and I'm going to talk to you for just a minute. All right, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Let's look at this target a little bit closer. All right, these were the 16 grain. And I don't know, I'm wondering if maybe I needed to shoot this in just a little bit more with the new lead. But I don't remember exactly how these shots laid down. Now these, the 22s, I remember those. And I had the first, I think the first shot was like right here somewhere. I don't know. I don't remember the exact order. But I do know that once it got settled in, I mean, that's, you know, my little, where's the thing? There's my little pinky finger. So everything's in that one spot. I'll do some more shooting with that, but that looks very promising. All right, all in all, I think those did pretty darn good. I think the 22s might want to go a little faster than that. So when I get the new regulator on there, I'll do that. I can't get but 20 shots out of this Notos with the stock tube on there. And so that's why I'm going to the Uben regulator. And I'll be able to turn it up a little bit and still have a decent shot count. So if you want to see that, subscribe. Maybe you'll just catch it, down the road somewhere. But for now, I'm going to put up a video right here that you might like. YouTube's going to put one down here that you might like. I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you somewhere down the road.